Hi, my name is Matt and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's all about Internet of Things and DIY electronics. Let's go together on this journey and explore the world of Internet of Things and connected devices. I will show you how to build your first Internet of Things device and connect it to the cloud and get data out from it. I will also teach you the basics of Internet of Things connectivity and protocols, show you the differences between each of them, how can you achieve the most out of it, and the plan is to release new video every week. We'll see how it works based on my availability and free time. We'll build together a connected device that sends the data to the internet. We'll use some cloud tools to analyze and interpret the data from our device. I will show you the differences between different protocols that you can use to communicate between your connected device and the internet. I will do a comparison of different connectivity types like LoRaWAN, 5G, Sigfox, or Wi-Fi. We'll talk about different devices that are already on the market and how can you use them for your advantage. We'll talk about positive and negative sides of connected devices and Internet of Things. What are the threats behind them? I hope we'll have a great fun building together the connected devices and exploring the world of Internet of Things. So click here to subscribe and wait for a new video in a few days.